Now, if you're trying to log in into your Outlook account and you've actually forgotten your password, well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, by default, if you go to Outlook.com, it will immediately ask you to log in into your account. Now, in here, I'm actually trying to log in into my Outlook account. I've already entered my email here, so we're pretty much good to go. Let's go and click on next. Now, the next page, it's going to basically ask you to choose how you want to log in. Now, there are multiple ways here. Let's go and click on show more options so that we could see the option that says update your password instead. Now, the thing with this one is if you don't have other options here, like for example, if you didn't add a backup email like I did, I actually added mine so I could use that. So as long as you have access to your backup emails, they will send a code via that email, and you should be able to log in via that code that will be sent to your email here or to your backup email. But if not, you can go and click on update your password instead. So if you don't have that set up, and basically in here you want to go and just choose the following options. Now I would like to get the security code here, so let's go and choose I don't have any of these. Now from here it's going to say recovery code, 25 characters long and looks like this one. So if you do have that, you could go and use recovery code, or you could go and answer no here if not. Now, if you don't have that option, it's going to ask you, so what's your Microsoft account are you that you're trying to go back into? So you can go and enter the email that you want to recover. It could also include your new email address that's different from what you're recovering. So they could add a email address or a backup email address to that email that you're trying to have access to, and you need to do a quick captcha here. So WXD, WPY for mine. So let's go and just fill out those details. Now, once you fill out all the details, it's going to ask you to verify your email. So they will be sending the code to your newly added email address that you want to link your old email address here. So you need to enter the code that was sent to your new email address and just click on verify here so that they can verify that you actually own that email address just in case. So by the way, I'm talking about the email address that you still have access to. So they will link that into your Outlook account that you've actually lost access. But yeah, once you click on verify here, it should basically start the verification process or the process for you to recover your account. So just follow that, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.